friends, how are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying study. I am Kinjal Sonchhatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel StudyZone. This is the 18th tutorial of probability, chapter 15th of standard 10th. In last session we discussed about example 11 and in this session we will discuss about example 12. So don't waste the time, go to the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, answer of last homework, example 12 from your textbook, and obviously homework. So starting with the first, it's basic formula. Probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is already known. So go to the next. It's homework answer. There are three probabilities are available. First is 0.4, second is 0.3, then find the third. Now we already know total of these three probabilities equals to 1. So first is 0.4, second is 0.3, which are given, right? Now find we should find third one. So total probability equals to 1, another probability equals to 1 minus 0.4 minus 0.3 for third one, right? So minus 0.4 minus 0.3 equals to minus 0.7. So 1 minus 0.7 equals to 0.3. Got it? Now go to the next. It's example 12. A carton consists of 100 shards, of which 88 are good, 8 have minor defects and 4 have major defects. Means total shards are 100. Means total outcomes 100. From that 88 are good, 8 have minor defects and 4 have major defects. Now Jimmy, a trader, will only accept the shards which are in good condition, right? Here 88 are in good condition, means Jimmy will accept 88 shards. But Sujata, another trader, will only reject the shards which have major defects. Means Sujata will reject only 4 shards because there are only 4 shards which are in major defects, right? So 100 minus 4, ultimately Sujata will accept 96 shards. Got it? Now one shard is drawn at random from the carton. What is the probability that first one it is acceptable to Jimmy and second it is acceptable to Sujata? Now here answer is, here total shards are 100, so total outcomes 100. Possible outcomes for first one Jimmy equals to 88 because of he will accept only good shards and good shards are 88. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes. So 88 divided by 100 and answer is 0.88. Now second one for Sujata. Sujata will reject only and only 4 shards because there are 4 shards which are in defected piece or in major defects, right? So 100 minus 4 equals to 96. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 96 divided by 100 equals to 0.96. Got it? If you have any doubt about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Now go to the next. It's homework time and the question is, I like 2 types of chocolates, right? Silk and dairy milk, but probability to like dairy milk is 0.2. Then find the probability to like silk. Best of luck guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Bye bye.